If you sell products with multiple variants, like sizes, colors, or styles, you've probably noticed that Shopify continues showing sold-out variants in the product dropdown by default. While this can sometimes be useful, many store owners prefer to hide unavailable options completely to make the shopping experience cleaner and prevent customers from selecting items they can't buy. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide sold-out variants from the product page dropdown in Shopify, step by step, even if you're completely new to the platform. First, it's important to understand that Shopify's default behavior depends largely on the theme you're using. Some themes automatically hide unavailable variants, while others continue displaying them and simply label them as sold out. Because of this, the exact steps may vary slightly from one theme to another. To get started, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're signed in, click on Online Store and then click Themes. Find your currently published theme and click Customize. This opens the Shopify theme editor. Inside the theme editor, navigate to one of your product pages using the page selector at the top. Once you're viewing a product template, click on the Product Information section. Now, look through the available settings carefully. Many modern Shopify themes include an option called Hide Sold Out Variants, Hide Unavailable Options, or something similar. If you see this setting, simply enable it and click Save. After saving, preview your product page and check whether the sold out options have disappeared from the variant selector. In many cases, this is all you need to do. If you cannot find such a setting, your theme may not support this feature natively. In that case, you'll either need to edit the theme code or use a Shopify app that provides advanced variant controls. For beginners, using an app is usually the easiest and safest approach because it doesn't require coding knowledge. To explore available apps, click Apps in your Shopify admin and then visit the Shopify App Store. Search for terms like Variant Options, Hide Sold Out Variants, or Product Option Manager. You'll find several apps designed specifically to hide unavailable product options automatically. After installing an app, open it and follow the setup instructions. Most apps allow you to choose whether sold-out variants should be hidden, disabled, or labeled differently. Select the option that best fits your store and save your settings. Another thing you should check is your inventory configuration. Go to Products and open the product you're testing. Scroll to the Variants section and verify that inventory tracking is enabled. If inventory tracking is disabled, Shopify may not know whether a variant is actually out of stock, which can prevent hiding features from working correctly. You should also test products with multiple variants. For example, if a t-shirt comes in several sizes and only the large size is sold out, confirm that only the unavailable option is hidden, while the remaining options continue to appear normally. Once you've finished making changes, visit your storefront and test the product page on both desktop and mobile devices. Make sure customers can still select available variants and add products to the cart without any problems. Remember that hiding sold-out variants can improve the shopping experience, but some merchants prefer showing them because customers can see which options are popular. Choose the approach that works best for your business. To quickly recap, check whether your theme includes a built-in option to hide unavailable variants, enable it if available, use a Shopify app if necessary, confirm that inventory tracking is enabled, and thoroughly test the customer experience before publishing your changes. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to hide sold-out variants from the product page dropdown in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more beginner-friendly Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.